Hello.
Catalyst and participate. What's the process like? You can, for example, find information for proposers, how you can create your proposal, what different fields you need to generate on it. Basically, we are explaining how you can be part of Project Catalyst Cardano.
Which challenge did you enter and what was the approach you submitted in your proposal application, which was eventually funded?
Well, our proposal was part of Catalyst Value Onboarding. We saw that the Project Catalyst is all in English, so you need to be able to understand English and write in English if we want to be part of it. So we find an opportunity there for our community from Latin America, and we initially thought about doing all this in Spanish, how we could translate proposals, how we could generate documentation in Spanish, and that was our initial approach. But on the fly, we found some issues regarding that because, for example, Project Catalyst is growing fund by fund in a very exponential way. So in Fund 5, there were only, for example, I think 10 challenges. Now we have almost 20 challenges, and the number of proposals is growing really in a really exponential way. Our initial approach changed, and now we have developed a tool to automatically translate proposals. In our website, if you go to home, you can click here in initial version, and you'll find this MVP. So this tool is going to be open source. In this case, you can see Fund 8. Unfortunately, we couldn't make it to Fund 9 because the translation API we are using is really very expensive. So the initial funds we gather were not able to fund these efforts, but we are trying to open this to the community, and we are working on a bounty program to incentivize people to join this project and tell them, okay, we need a new API for translation, and we need to be able fund by fund to have this tool working so the community can participate and understand the proposals we are voting.
That's great to hear. Anything else you want to add?
Yes, that if anybody has any doubt about the Project Catalyst process, or they want to understand how to join, you can contact us on our social networks. You can find all the information here in our website. The community is very friendly, and we encourage everybody to join and participate.